Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the Benks ArmorPop phone grip stand. £19.99. Now this has got carbon fibre and it's made from metal. And it's MagSafe compatible, obviously. Right, so let's open this up and see what it's about. Okay. Right, there we go. Right, I will say first off, it's very, very thin, lightweight as well. Looks very nice. See that carbon fibre there? Very flat, very thin. This is another one that I've shown before from Pitaka. This is quite a small and light one as well. But as you can see, it's almost half the size. Magnets allowing between 3 and 4 millimeters thick, 22 grams. Nice and light. Pitaka, this one can open up and become a stand like that. Lots of other ones do the same or similar. And this one opens up like that. Designed by Benks. Very, very sturdy, very durable, very well made.
Flashback.
Beautiful case. This is for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. They do it for other phones as well. $39.99 for this one. Okay, things are giving me problems today. There we go. Right, okay, this one feels very nice. Nice and warm. Carbon fibre always has a warm feel to it. Soft and warm like cloth. Right, let's get this sticker off here. Okay, there we go. Right, nice case, nice colouring. They do different patterns as well. I'll put a few of the patterns up on the side so you can see them. And this is for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I got the titanium colour this year. There we go. Beautiful looking case. All the cutouts are there. Not much of a lip on there, but I do have a screen protector. So if you don't have a screen protector on yours, there will be a slight lip. Metal buttons on the sides. Absolutely stunning looking. The cutouts, perfect. There are the buttons. Nice raised ring around the cameras. There we go, there it was hiding, it was so small. Okay, so there it is, nice and grippy. So thin. So thin, but so durable and strong. And it has a hidden part as well. I'll show you that in a second. So this is the ring. You can adjust it and spin it round. And then you can open it up so you've got a landscape. And then if you flip it around, you can do portrait as well. There we go. It doesn't tip, it's nice and sturdy. It's got a strong hinge on there. So you can put your hand through and hold it like that if you wish. But it also has another little part inside. This part here pops out and it has another finger loop so you can hold it this way as well. Very clever. Very comfortable as well. Strong magnet. And it just flops back or springs back inside. Very comfortable. Clever design. Very, very nice. Very strong. It just looks so perfect. I can't stop looking at it. Right, okay, so this obviously works with the MagSafe, but you can get MagSafe for other cases now. So I'll just go through and show you the one that I've also got. So Samsung, the S24 Ultra here. And of course, if you've got one of the Benks MagSafe cases for that, it also works and it has a nice strong grip as well. Right, I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.